Yes, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to show you and explain why you cannot download Fortnite on your Android device. So I've made two videos on this channel showing you how you can download Fortnite on your Android device, but there are a lot of comments about people telling me that it's fake, that I'm a scammer, or that I try to hack people or whatsoever, and I just want to explain that that's not true, first of all, but I'm also going to explain why for you this might not be working, and it has everything to do with your device. So on some devices it will work and on some devices it won't work. If you take a look at the video or videos I've made, you also see that the video has a lot of likes and a lot of comments from people telling me that it actually works. Now a lot of you will then say, yeah, these are fake comments and all of that. Trust me guys, they're not, and I'll also show you proof of that later on in this video. Before that though, I want to show you guys that you can actually download Fortnite on your Android device on the official Fortnite website. So if you Google that, you'll end up on epicgames.com, which is the maker of Fortnite, okay? Epic Games made Fortnite, and I'm on epicgames.com, which is the official website from Epic Games. Now right there, to get started, please visit fortnite.com/Android on an Android device, okay? So first of all, you're going to download it from the official website, so it's not fake. Second of all, this is the actual, like I just said, this is the real Fortnite. It's not some like sketchy website where you download it. It's the real Fortnite. Now the fact that for some of you it's not working has everything to do with your phone. So I'll just Google Fortnite Android requirements, and I'll show you that it doesn't work for every single device. For example, right here I have a Samsung Galaxy S8, and on this device it will work. I'm filming with my Samsung Galaxy S20 and it will work on that device as well. But you might be using a LG whatever model. I'm not sure which models LG has, but whatever model you're using, it might not work. Now that's not because it's fake or because it's a scam. It's simply because your phone doesn't match the requirements to play Fortnite on your phone. Right there, I just searched for Fortnite Android requirements, and you'll see that you need a 64-bit Android, at least 5, Lollipop or more recent. So you need at least Android 5. You need 3 GB free storage space, 3 GB RAM minimum. So if your phone doesn't have free RAM, then of course it's not going to work, and that's what I'm trying to point out here. That's what I'm trying to make, try to clarify basically. So I hope that that gives you some insights. You can also, people also ask what devices are compatible with Fortnite. You can then click on it and it will give you a list of a bunch of devices where you can play Fortnite on your Android phone. So for example, the LG G5, G6, G7. Now let's say you have a G4. I'm not sure if that one is around, but I guess so. Then it's not going to work because it doesn't match the requirements, okay? So once again, it's not fake, it's not a scam or whatsoever. It's basically, it basically comes down to not having a phone that can run Fortnite. It's simply not going to work because the phone doesn't have enough RAM or storage or anything like that. So once again, guys, if you download it from epicgames.com, it's not fake, it's not a scam. Epic Games is the maker of Fortnite. It's epicgames.com. It's the real web domain, so it's not a scam. If it doesn't work, then that's because your device is not compatible with Fortnite, and I can honestly not change anything about that. But yeah, anyway, I hope that clarifies some of your questions about this, and I hope that explains why for you it's not working, but you see comments about it working and likes and all of that. It's not fake, it's just that your device is not able to run Fortnite. Once again, I hope that clarifies it, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.